Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in and checking out my video. This is Steve with SBL Games. So this is going to be part two of a video where I replaced a battery connector. So the battery connector came out really great. I mean, you honestly can't even tell it's been replaced, other than that bit of flux residue on there. But other than that, I mean, it looks factory. But I tested it and it did not work, unfortunately. So I ran more tests. Pin 6 was no good, so I had to replace the BQ chip, the charging chip, which makes sense. It'd probably be the first one to blow. But also, we had a catastrophic failure here on the P13 chip. So I don't know if you could see that little bump or whatever on the chip itself. So that's blown. That'll need to be replaced. And then off to the bottom right here. Oh, sorry about that. Off to the bottom right here, you could see I did a jumper wire because the fuse was completely, well, not fuse, but the filter was completely blown out. So I'm going to go ahead and get that replaced. So there actually will be 3 parts to this video, but this is part 2. So battery connector replaced. That was good. Then when I did the pin test, pin 6 was no good. So I replaced the BQ charge chip, restored the connection to that. But then I tested everything again and noticed that the pin 5 was also showing nothing, no reading. So flipped it over, took a look, and yeah, blown out right there. You can see, and then there's my jumper wire I gotta do. So I'm just gonna, I already put the UV solder mask on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry really well. Go ahead and replace that chip and EMI filter there. And we will do a part 3. So that is all for part 2. Thanks for stopping in. Steve with SBL Games. You can find us everywhere online.